There we go. Got one. Got one on. It's a good one. He's an acrobat. Where's he going? It's a nice bass. We'll take him. Yeah! There we go. There's a chunk. It's been caught a few times. That'll work on the Ned rig. Figured they'd be in there under the bridge. Bridge is a good spot for them. There we go. There's a fish. There's another one. Not a big one, but man, they can fight. These creek fish fight like no tomorrow. Well, look at that. Yeah. There you go. Come on. Get out of there. There we go. Nice little bass. Got him in the tongue. There we go. It's a fish. See you later.